Welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 3.2. We have managed to go through this information. Okay, if you did not read this information, please do so before you answer the question. Right, and also this question, we are going to use the answers that we got from the previous question. Okay, right, so in the previous question, we managed to find the gradient of BE. We managed to find the gradient of BE. We say the gradient of BE is equal to 1 over 4. Okay, remember that was question 3.1.1. Okay, so it says determine the equation of PE in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So what do we do here? We start with this equation, which is y is equal to mx plus c. And then we have 2 points that we can use here. We can use point E, we can use point C. Let's start with point E. So we substitute where there's x, we put 12, where there's y, we put 0. And then we find C. So it's 0 is equal to 1 over 4 times 12 plus C. Okay, so 0 is equal to 3 plus C. So negative 3 is equal to C. Therefore, y is equal to 1 over 4 x minus 3. Okay, or you can start with this equation. You can say y minus y1, which is the y-intercept, is equal to m, the gradient, then times x minus x1, the x-intercept. So using the same point E, we can say y is equal to y minus what? This is minus 0 is equal to 1 over 4, then x minus 12. Okay, see that? Then let's distribute the 1 over 4 there. Distribute. Then becomes y minus 0 is y. So y is equal to 1 over 4 x minus 1 over 4 times 12 is 3. See that? Done. So we can even substitute c, the coordinates of c, and then we're going to get the same answer. Let's just do that. Let's substitute the coordinates of c. All right, and then if you're using the coordinates of c, the gradient of PE, we still have a gradient of PE, which is 1 over 4. And then y, where there's y, put negative 2. Then negative 2 is equal to m, which is 1 over 4. And then x is 4. It's 4. Then plus c. So it's negative 2 is equal to 1 plus c. Transpose positive 1 to the left hand side, negative becomes negative 1. So it's negative 2 minus 1, which is negative 3, is equal to c. Therefore, y is equal to 1 over 4 for x minus 3. Or we say y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Okay, right, and then we substitute our point, the coordinates of point C. So y minus negative 2 is equal to m, the gradient, then x minus 4. Okay, and then becomes y plus 2 is equal to, we distribute 1 over 4, it becomes 1 over 4 x, and then 1 over 4 times negative 4 is negative 1. Then we transpose positive 2 to the right, becomes negative 2. So y is equal to 1 over 4 x minus 3. Okay, so that's what you could have done there to find the equation of the line segment BE. Okay, we're going to meet when we're doing question 331.